Welcome to this demo video. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Jalpi WooCommerce plugin and send WhatsApp notifications using the meta-verified WhatsApp Business API. First, log into your WordPress admin account. After logging in, go to Plugins, Add New from the dashboard. Search for WooCommerce, then install and activate the plugin. Now, in the Plugins section, search for Jalpi Login and Notifications. Install the plugin and then activate it. After activation, you will see the Jalpi Login and Notifications option in the sidebar. Click on it and then click on Go to Setting. In the Settings page, you will find the API key field. This API key is available after logging into the Jalpi platform. To get the API key, first click on the Jalpi option shown here. You will be redirected to the Jalpi platform. If you are a new user, click Create your account by filling in the required details. If you are already registered, simply log into your account. After logging in, go to your WhatsApp instance page. First, connect your WhatsApp number by completing the meta verification process. A step-by-step video guide is already available there to help you complete the verification. Once your number is successfully connected, your API key will be generated. Copy the API key, paste it into the required field, and click Test Connection. On this page, you will see two additional options: Enable OTP and Enable Logs. If you want customers to verify their mobile number using OTP during login or registration, you can enable the OTP option from the settings. In the dashboard, just below the API connection status, you will find the required shortcodes. These shortcodes are used to add OTP verification to your WordPress login and registration pages. Simply copy the shortcode from here, go to your WordPress login or registration page, and paste the shortcode there. You can enable or disable this option anytime from the settings. Below that, you will find the country selector option. Here, you can choose all countries or select specific countries as needed. After making your selection, click on Save Changes. Now go to the Flows section. Flows decide when and how WhatsApp messages are sent. Click Add New Flow and select your approved WhatsApp template, language, and the WooCommerce event that will trigger the message. Map the order details to the template parameters and click Save Flow. You can enable, edit, or delete flows anytime. Please note, only one flow per event is allowed. After this, you will see the Templates option. Here, you can search and fetch WhatsApp templates that are available on the Jalpi platform and use them in your flows. If you want to send a new template message, you must first go to the Jalpi panel. Create a new WhatsApp template. Submit it for approval. Once approved, the template will automatically appear in your flow template list. For the template approval process, you can also check the guidelines available inside the Jalpi panel Manage Templates section. Now go to OTP controls. Here, you can set OTP attempts, lockout time, and resend cooldown. You can also choose the redirect page after successful login. After making changes, click Save OTP Settings. Next, go to the Cache section. Here you can view cache details like duration, size, and cached files, which help improve plugin performance. Inside the Documentation section, you will find step-by-step details for all options. And in the Logs section, you can view detailed logs of all sent messages. After completing the configuration, you can send a test message. The message will be sent successful.